Hundreds of employees of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited (RINL), popularly called Vizag Steel Plant, on Friday staged a protest in the port city against the BJP-led government's decision to privatize the mega steel plant. The Central Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs (CCEA) gave in principle approval for 100% disinvestment of the mega power plant on Thursday. CCEA on 27 Jan 2021 has given in principle approval for 100% strategic disinvestment of GOI shareholding in RINL along with management control by way of privatization, stated the tweet posted by Tuhin Kanta, Secretary of Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. The Adi Narayana, a trade union leader of the steel plant, said whatever we have feared all these days has finally happened. We have been left with no option but to fight till the centre withdraws the proposal. The employee unions participated in the bike rally from Kurmanapalam Centre to GVMC and raised slogans against Modi government erroneously privatizing one of the largest state-run steel plants in the country. The employee unions are also planning to tour all parts of the state to highlight their cause. Though having an installed capacity of 21 million tons per year, the Visakhapatnam steel plant has presently been operating with a production capacity of only 7.3 million tons. Vizag Steel has around 22,000 acres of land acquired by the state government. The present market value stands at Rs 5 crore per acre according to reports. The value of the land itself, thus, is more than 1 lakh crore. The protest has also started having political repercussions. TDP leader G. Srinivas Rao on Saturday said he has resigned as an MLA from the Andhra Pradesh Assembly in protest against the centre's decision to privatize the steel plant here. Srinivas Rao, who represents the North Assembly constituency in Visakhapatnam, said the resignation letter was sent to the Speaker. Andhra Pradesh CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has written a letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting the centre to reconsider its plan of disinvestment of Vizag-based steel plant. CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy termed the iconic unit, which is the country's first shore-based steel plant established in 1971, a testimony to the will of Telugu people, and it is continued as an icon of Telugu achievement in our collective psyche till the date. The YRSCP chief went on to add that this government is willing to work with the Union Ministry of Steel to protect the jewel of Andhra Pradesh.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.